thoroughly enjoyed this session, and I love art and I love music. And when the music came, I was feeling really happy that music works so much to children and for us also. And I'm a music. My child also loves music, and I have enroll him for keyboard and vocal. And whenever he is like free, he goes for music. And also that ways I have found this session very informative, very interactive, and all credit goes to you. You have made this session very interactive, and you gave everybody chance to speak up and share their thoughts and ideas, which was really commendable, because it's 3 hours and you have to give everybody's chance. So that is also very difficult thing to give chance to everyone. And it was really wonderful and great session, which I thoroughly enjoyed it.